1, 2, and then he let go. See, he didn't
Yep.
count to 3. Look at that. Wow. It's a 65-meter drop. 65 meters free fall.
65 meters.
Yeah, from the top to where that touches. There was a woman killed here a while ago doing the swing.
How did that happen?
I think the rope snapped to keep the sign, keep the wall.
You hear about the guitar attack there and he was saying
Oh, you're kidding me.
someone was killed.
Yeah, you don't want to go close to those things. They're only friendly in the movies.
Well, I think it's surprising how many people in Australia seem to know that this age is the most dangerous animal.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't want to touch those. See the bag coming down. See, there's a bag going down there.
Yeah.
It's got water and shit in it. Send your wallet and stuff down after camera. I'll send my false teeth down. There's no ways I'm jumping with false teeth. No? No, man.
Yeah, I'm just getting back to where I'm staying in the sixth floor, it's my flat, and the other ones are getting snow. It's my son is really Parkona.
Yeah.
Man, he's staying here.
On the 13th floor.
See, there's somebody down there. They'll catch. There should be somebody down there to catch you.
Maybe you should feel like this.
It's awesome. If you want to take the swing and come out on a good day, you see all the way down the valley here.
You know what happens in Santa London? Yeah, along the way, and the sea Devon, and I took the president to the water. I went to myself up east.
Yeah, but on the poofy slide, on the
You can take a rest on the car, right? The highest speed.
on the slide here, you've got a safety belt on.
So,
Yeah. That's good fun.
are they going to pull them up now?
No, they get off there on the platform.
And then they're going to walk up.
And it's a walk, believe me, it's steps all the way. It's uphill all the way. Strange nobody's taking the slide, because you take the slide, you come across and see all the way down the valley.
They'll have those two
Oh, they gone over?
and there's another couple over there with the bin and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
And these are our friends getting ready
Uh-huh.
to do the swing.
There's another swing coming.
Mm.